Really, really good matchup here. As both teams steps out on the pitch. 3 p.m. on the clock on the dot. Referee checks his watch. And we're off. Stop the authority in the game. Livingston. Nice pass to find Giant Fraser. Fraser, good touch from Fraser. He has 3 runners. Nelson. Shot and goal from Nelson. Shot and goalkeeper. And Russell almost spilled that one. Might not come off all the time. Goes inside Nelson. That's a brilliant touch. Good build up. Nelson again. And they're in. Molynes is in. And should have done significantly better in that moment. Pennycook does well. Finds Nelson in between the space. Pennycook, shot and goal. Wonderfully done. Finds Nelson between the half space. Is that so? Young. Find Guthrie. Heavy touch there from Guthrie. Nelson hit the channel for Pennycook, and Pennycook did well there. And a high boot, said the referee, but definitely no. Finally in the final third for Molynes. Goes across the pitch. Rosoy, shot from way out. And keeper hold on to that one. Portmore Utd to reset. Cross to the back post. And Nelson with a flicker. It's Young, my apologies, it's Aston to Rose. Nelson. That's a nice pass from Wilson. Here comes Livingston. It's very quick. Well done by Livingston, goalkeeper. Almost made a meal of that one. Over the top, trying to find Nelson. Nice work there by Nelson. Livingston. Switch a play there to Fraser. Fraser has a really good left foot. Will he go for a shot? Straight to the goalkeeper. Not creating much from open play, so let's see if they can do it from a set piece. Peck on the top of the box. Shot on goal from Peck. Not the best shot as that. Also. Given away by Peck. Here comes Molynes now. Chance on goal. He's in. Opportunity here. You can have a shot. Shot on goal, Molynes. Pouring. Pass inside the box and head on goal. And a brilliant save from Russell. What a save. Here comes Molynes on the break. Livingston. Pass out wide. Nice pass. Finds Nelson. Nelson is in. Looking for support. Versus Rose. Livingston again. Shot on goal. Dick. Deflected off and he goes out for a throw. Corner to the Molynes team. Let's see what's going to happen here. Whipped inside. Dinked off to the back post and pretty comfortable for the goalkeeper. Throw in here. Misread there. Here comes Nelson. And he's on. Shot and goal from Nelson. Oh my word! What a beauty! From Nicholas Nelson. Tremendous. When it was good condition, they couldn't find that goal. Will they be able to find it now? Taken quickly. Molynes goes for a shot. Shot and goal. Lot of fierce power behind that one. Counter attack. Portmore now pushing numbers forward. Eating the channels. Still one channel vacated. And oh my word! Fortune favors the brave. Fortunately. Whipped inside the box. McGregor taken nicely. And what a shot and goal from Owl. Deflection there. Corner. Free kick to Portmore. Can they find the equalizer? 15 minutes to go in this one. Lots of time for things to happen. Cross to the back post. That's a good header. And foul there. Offside call actually. Free kick here. Portmore United. Taken and a chance here for Portmore United. Nothing out of that one. Russell sends over this one. Boot inside. Head on goal. Two players challenging for that one. Dangerous times here. Stretch it off. Not what the Molynes. Ellis with a nice pass to find Livingston. Livingston, an opportunity here to make it 2, and he's in. Shot and goal straight to the goalkeeper. No venom on that one. Last bit of the game. 8. Whoa, what a big opportunity presents itself. 8 minutes. Ding pass in the box. And it's in. Check here. And the referee called for a foul. Good defensive display here from the centre back Kieran, Cuesta and Neil. Booted long over the top. McGregor is there. And that's a deflection. And the goalkeeper recover nicely. Good in this game. Molynes. Cross inside the box. Chance here. Brian goes inside looking for a shot. Shot and goal from Brian. And nothing will come from that. We're past the 95th minute now. That's a dangerous giveaway. A chance here for Molynes. Can they make it count? Ellis. Get past one. Chance here for Ellis and go for goal. And he missed it. Taking long on the ball. Rasai whipped that one in. Howell. Here comes a chance for Portmore United. Oh my word! What a bomber! Peter McGregor! What a cracker! Has he found it for? You can't stop that. Shot straight on goal. That is frustration. And the referee said that is it. Full time. I'm very sure Molynes will be extremely disappointed